Hello, so I'm John. So I just got done making up a couple recipes. The one was just a quick breakfast with the hollandaise sauce and cauliflower hash brown. The other one was salmon with the caper sauce using that same hollandaise sauce. So I added capers. But you know what? I didn't have my button recorded for recording, so here's a picture of it. So anyway, man, I got this down. I got this keto stuff down pretty good now. And there's a few things that I've learned. And number one thing, and the dog doesn't interrupt me, the number one thing is to have patience, to kind of learn how it works. And you don't have to stick yourself to check your blood. You don't have to pee on any stick to check your ketones. The number one thing is have patience. I also think it's very important to intermittent fast, because that's helping you to tell you how you're doing with your fat intake and how you're doing on the keto, right? So this hollandaise meal had butter in it and egg yolks and it was really fatty. So tomorrow I'll be fine until late in the evening before I'll have to eat. I'll probably go 20 hours and then eat within the 4-hour time. So in that 4-hour time, I'll maybe have a big salad and then I'll have a meal. So it's important to get enough fat. And the number one goal is not checking your ketones, is not getting enough fat, is kicking your carb and sugar addiction. That is the number one thing that you need to do to be successful on keto. I've lost 50 pounds and I'm at it again, and I'm going to lose another 20 or 30. It's just going to come off. It is. And a lot of people think that keto is hard. Well, there's a lot of hard ways you can do it. But the way I'm doing it, it is easy, and I can help a lot of people. And I want to help you. I really can. I found some secrets. I'm eating good. I'm eating really good food. So if you're someone that you think you can handle some avocados, some hollandaise sauce, some meat and cauliflower and vegetables and such, big salads with bacon and cheese and eggs on it, then I can help you. All right. So, how'd I do? I just went off the top of my head. I think that's pretty good. I'll have to work on, getting my message across a little bit more. But man, I tell you, I really do have a secret. And I ran into this secret back in the day, 20 years ago, I was a chef. So I had some cooking experience, some culinary experience. And I really liked hollandaise sauce. It's usually on eggs Benedict, that, creamy, yellowy, buttery, eggy, it shouldn't be eggy, sauce that you put over a hollandaise. But, it's high in fat, so they said don't eat fat, so I stopped eating it. And then when I found keto, and my name Keto Classic comes from French Classic, because a lot of the, recipes and the idea with the high fat is similar to classic French cooking. So I started eating hollandaise sauce, and what I found was intermittent fasting, skipping breakfast, was real easy. And that's really what intermittent fasting is, just reducing your amount of meals. And a big reason why I like reducing my meals is because when I sit down to eat, I can have a full meal. I don't have to go with real small portions. I can just go with more normal portions to me. But I'm only eating one time a day. The dog's coming in. But I'm only eating one time a day, so that's why I can have a bigger portion. And so it's not calorie restrictive per se, the intermittent fasting. It's keeping your insulin level low as long as you can all day long. I don't put any cream in any coffee. I just drink tea without sugar, coffee without sugar, or water. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm kicking it.